In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Vizio TV. There's two different ways, one way using the remote control and the second way using the button located under the TV itself. Let me show you with the remote control. Okay, so go on the home menu, so press the home button and then we need to go into the settings. You should have a cogwheel button like this one. Press on it until you have the settings. Go down and select all settings. Go down again and select admin and privacy. Then we need to select reset to factory settings. Go all the way to the right side and select reset TV. Press enter and it takes like 2 minutes and the TV will be fully resetted. Everything will be deleted, your accounts, your Vizio TV account, the accounts that you have connected to your YouTube, Disney Plus or other apps. Now, in case you have forgotten where you put the remote control and you want to factory reset your television, the other way is to simply find the power button of your TV. Sometimes it's located under the light, okay, on the lower left side over here. Sometimes it's in the middle, sometimes it's on the right side under the Vizio TV logo. And what you need to do, I will simply tell you what to do because I don't want to reset my TV. Okay, it's to keep press on it during around 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you're going to receive a message down below telling you that the TV will be resetted. Then you can remove the finger from your button over there and just let the TV do its thing. After like 2-3 minutes, it should be done and you're going to have the first setup screen to start fresh again. So this is a second trick I have discovered. I didn't know myself, but while pressing this button a bit too much, I got my TV resetted. That's why I don't want to do it again. Thanks for watching. If you have another way on how to reset it, please let me know. Maybe some TVs have a reset button in the back, a small thing that you need to push with a crayon or a paper clip. I didn't find one on this model, but hey, let me know in comments if you have another way. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.